Welcome to the video tutorial on how current St. Edward's University students sign up for 2018-2019 housing. As a reminder, Step 1 opens on February 21st at 9 a.m. and runs through February 27th until 5 p.m. At any time during these 7 days, log in to My Hilltop. Next, search for current students' campus housing application. And click on the task. Select the 2018-2019 academic year and continue through the application by clicking on Save and Continue until you land on the housing online contract. You may have gone through this information before, but please review and make any changes you need before you click on Save and Continue. Please carefully review the online housing contract, especially the cancellation and refund section. Also review the 2018-2019 dates. Once carefully reviewed, click on I agree and update your profile questions if the answers have changed. Click on Save and Continue. On the Roommate Search Preference page, you can update your description and then continue. Instructions for how to create a roommate group will be provided separately. Creating a roommate group allows you to pick which students you would like to share your residence hall room or apartment with next year. You can create a roommate group with a maximum of 4 students, including the group leader. Your preferred roommates must also complete Step 1 of the housing sign-up process and add themselves to your group using the group name and password. Once roommates have added themselves to the group, the leader must verify the group in order to complete the application. As a recommendation, the group of students and leader should all meet together at one time to go online and complete that process. Make sure to select Save and Continue to complete Step 1. You will receive a confirmation email when you have completed Step 1. On February 28th, you will receive your room selection time slot via SU email by 5 p.m. This email details the date and time you can complete Step 2, the room selection. Now we'll move on to Step 2. Return to the housing application on My Hilltop during your appointed time to select your housing. The application task will then direct you to the room selection wizard page where there are 4 steps for you to select your housing assignment and meal plan. Group leaders will be able to select rooms for the entire group if space allows. First, you will select a building. For example, select Johnson Hall and then click on Save and Continue. Next, select the floor and then click Save and Continue. Then you will select the room number and then click on Save and Continue. For Step 4, select the bed you would like to have and then click on Reserve Beds. If your first option is not available, pick something as spaces do fill up quickly. Select a meal plan and then click on Save and Continue. Review the completion of application page for location, rates, and roommate information. Make sure to select Save and Continue to get to the application status page. You will then see your housing selection is complete. As a reminder, you must complete Step 1 to select housing. For questions, contact Residence Life via email at residencelife@stedwards.edu.